housekeeper who comes to our house every other day, and of course the bare minimum required to get by at school. I hardly talk to anyone.
Other than the trainers at the gym and the housekeeper who comes to our house every other day, and of course the bare minimum required to get by at school, I rarely talk to anyone.
Translate.
Кроме тренеров
Good.
в зале
Good.
и домработников,
Good.
которые приходят почти каждый день.
Good.
в дом,
Every other day. Через день.
через день.
Please write down every other day. It's a special expression. Через день. Every other day. Example. What do you do every other day? Don't need a true sentence. You have to say something. That's okay. What do you?
I run in the morning and rest.
Every other day? Good, very nice. Write down this example. Every other day. Loved your translation, but you haven't finished. And of course,
И, конечно, самое
good,
малое,
good.
что я делаю в школе,
Это самое малое общение, которое требуемое в школе, да? Окей.
я едва ли говорил.
Nice, Julia.
For a long time, my father and I have avoided seeing each other.
Mm-hmm.
For a long time, my father and I avoided seeing each other.
We live under the same roof, but our schedules are totally different.
We live under the same roof, but our schedules are totally different.
He spends most of his time in his studio, far away, and I do my best to avoid him.
He spends most of his time in his studio far away, and I do my best to avoid him.
Alright, so now we understand that relationships between them mindly speaking is not okay, and probably they don't talk to each other. So it's common in our country, in Japan, when we in argument with somebody or when we are in a bad mood, we stop talking to each other. Have you experienced it in your life?
Yes.
Okay. A lot of times?
Yes.
Okay. It happened to me too. But look, there's only way to solve the problem. Start talking again. But it's a difficult thing to do because you have to overcome over your pride. Usually when you are in this kind of argument with somebody, with your friends, I don't know, with your relatives, who first stretch the hand to find a compromise? Who first start talking?
Relatives.
Sorry?
Relatives.
Relative. You never?
Sometimes.
Good. Nice. But here is a very, very hard misunderstanding between them. They